Since before the dawn of the nation, we've shaped lives, forged connections, and fueled the pulse of society. Every innovation is to shape your lives with technology. And build the nation's dreams.
A story unfolds, a dream takes flight. We're touching the stars and you're shining
सुरक्षित
bright.
सीमा,
सुरक्षित विकास।
We're there with you. From across the seas to right next to you. In every step, we're there with you.
Thank you so much, guys. You don't know we're a part of almost everything you do, right? Well, there's more.
Digital engineering, artificial intelligence, 5G communication, product engineering, smart cities, medtech solutions, and so much more.
Underneath it all, we tap into the earth and keep the world in motion, fueling every step of your progress. We connect people in ways unseen and bring them closer.
We're there with you.
And quietly weave ourselves into your homes.
The homes that we've built and the love that you've shown. Through roads untraveled, through ways brand new, we make a world for me and you. We're there with you. We're there with you.
While we help the nation stand tall, we also strengthen our foundation through care, through opportunity, through action.
So when you rise, when you shine, when you stay true, in every step, we're there with you. So when you walk, when you run, when you fly through, in every step, we leap with you. We leap with you. We leap with you. We leap with you. We leap with you.
Wherever you are and wherever you go, we are there with you. We are L&T. Just leap.
We leap with you.